welcome to Murton. Today I'm just a short distance away from the market town of Appleby to show you a fantastic 2-bedroomed mid-terrace cottage. Now it sits at the foot of the northern Pennine Fells. You can see Murton Pike in the background, so this is a location which is absolutely beautiful. Just a short walk up here, you can get up onto the Pennines with an abundance of walks on your doorstep. The cottage itself sits just a short distance from where I am now, just down here with the white porch. It's a picture postcard pretty cottage. It's got 2 bedrooms, 2 reception rooms. It's got some fantastic spaces, but what it also has, which is quite rare to the market, is a large barn to the rear. Now this is a space that's been used for storage. It's around 1,000 square foot. It's got ample parking sitting just behind here and just up this access lane there. So lots of parking, lovely garden spaces and a huge amount of storage. So let me take you a little bit further down the street so you can see this cottage in more detail, and then we'll go inside this fabulous home. This is the cottage just right behind me here. So you've got the white porch, you've got the area which has got the black windows. This is a super cottage. It's so pretty, and if you're looking for a little gem in a desirable village location with that fantastic backdrop of the North Pennine Fells, then this is not to be missed. So let's go inside and have a look. Okay, so let's head in. Before we do so, the main part of the village is just in the bottom there, and this road takes us up onto the fell. So you're in a dead accessible location, right in the heart of the village, and the cottage itself is absolutely beautiful. So as we come in, you'll see there's an abundance of charm and character. The first part is a area which is the porchway, which is perfect for wellies, boots and coats, but there is a rear porch there as well. Then we come into a really characterful living dining area. So we've got a nice staircase which takes us up to the first floor, and quite a large room here that extends across with a lovely wood burning stove. They're making this a really homely feel. Now this home is so beautifully warm. It's a mid-terrace, so it retains the heat, and that wood burning stove is absolutely great. We've got fantastic beamed ceiling. We've got alcove shelving. You can see we've got a feature character cupboard there, and a really lovely and homely space. We've got storage cupboard just at the bottom of the stairs, and this part of the room has been used as a dining area, but you'll see as we go through into the kitchen that there's ample space for a dining table in here. So nice breakfast area, nicely fitted kitchen, window out to the rear, and looking out here you'll see you get a glimpse of the outside space, but we've got another view across to those Pennine Fells. And in this kitchen space, if I just step back, you've got plenty of space for white goods, and like I say, plenty of space for a dining table as well. Now this home also has the benefit of another reception room, which is quite rare to find. So in here we've got a flexible use space, which could be a more formal dining room if you wanted one. It could be a downstairs bedroom if you're looking for that 3rd bedroom space, but it could also be another sitting room as it is now. So really flexible use space, depending on what your needs are. It's got a lovely picture window which looks out over the rear garden up towards the fells, and it's a perfect place to sit and enjoy the outside area. However, you'll see there's a small table with an outside terrace, so that's a perfect place to sit as well. So really, really super second reception room. Then as we come back through, I'm now going to take you up onto the first floor, but one last look at that really great living room before we do so. So that's a really beautiful ground floor space. So now let's go up onto the first floor, and you've got the banisters here looking down on the lounge, and as we come up onto the first floor, you've got no shortage of storage in this home. So storage cupboard just to the left hand side. We've got a shower room straight ahead of us, which has got a loo and a hand basin behind, but you've got a nice walk-in shower there. And then we lead on to 2 bedrooms. The first of which is this one, which is a slightly smaller one of the 2. Overlooks the front of the property. It's probably big enough to be a double room, but at the moment it's just a single. But a really nice and light space. And then coming into what is the master bedroom, which is the bigger room of the 2 bedrooms. Again, a room to the front. Now this one's also got a storage cupboard just to the right there. That's got storage space, and it also houses the oil boiler inside there. So a really beautiful little cottage. What we've got is we've got 2 bedrooms, the family shower room, and we've got the 2 reception rooms on the ground floor. So this is a super cottage. Now let's go downstairs and have a look at the outside space. So coming back through the kitchen, we've got this door here which takes us to a rear porch area. Great space for your washing machine, for wellies, boots, coats. We've got a lovely view from here as well. And as we come outside, this is the outside space. We're just coming out of the back porch just to show you this garden to the rear. So you've got a nice area of lawn, a lovely little terrace here which sits to the front of that reception room, and on a beautiful day you've got views up to the fells there. So we sit at the foot of the Northern Pennines, which is an area of outstanding natural beauty, and as you saw at the start of the video, we've got a superb walks from the doorstep. But what this home also has, as you can see, is a large parking area. So we have right of access across this area here for vehicle and pedestrian, but once we get in the gates here, this is all our own grounds, and we've got that huge workshop space that you can see there. Now that spans to around just under 1,000 square feet, so it's huge. Ideally, if you're looking for somewhere to store vehicles, you're looking for a workshop space, you want to tinker, you just want lots of storage, then you've got a brilliant amount of space here. And as you can see, ample space for lots of parking. And spinning the camera back round, this is the cottage. So it's a really pretty mid-terrace cottage. Now it doesn't just have that garden there that you can see, it also has some garden round here to the back of this workshop space, which is perfect. You can put a little bit more of your own stamp on this space as well if you want to, but it's a lovely private space. So you can see here the grounds are extensive, but this garden space here has got a little path that meanders through. It's been planted with some trees. It looks down onto the beck, which is beautiful, which flows all the way through the village of Murton, just down here. And as you can see, we sit in such a rural location. It's absolutely beautiful. So you've got a farming community here, so there are a number of outbuildings around, but all of these just add sense of potential here. So this is a lovely little garden space which you could landscape. If you didn't need this and you just wanted to have the garden space which we saw when we first came back at the back of the house, which I'm going to go back to now, then that might be enough for you, and all this space could be perfect for you if you're looking for lots of car parking spaces. Perhaps you want to tinker with some vehicles, you've got lots of storage space requirements, but this garden is actually perfectly formed for a lovely garden which is low maintenance, which suits the cottage perfectly. So as you've seen, this is the cottage at Murton. It's a fabulous 2-bedroom cottage with 2 reception rooms, a dining kitchen and a porch to the rear and to the front. Now it sits, like you've just seen, with this fantastic half of this barn here, so where the roof space changes, it's about 1,000 square foot of storage space there, so it's perfect if you're looking for ample storage. It makes it really stand out from just a cottage in a lovely village to a cottage with an abundance of storage, and perfect if you're looking for something just a little bit different. We sit at the foot of the Pennine Fells, as you saw at the start of the video, so if you're looking for a location which is beautiful, you've got walks on the doorstep, you're close and easy access to Appleby and all the Eden Valley villages and market towns, you've got amenities just a short drive away, then this is perfect for you. So please give us a call on 01768 881111 and we'd love to give you some more information.